Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Will. Today on the lathe I have a couple of rough turn U-bolts. I turned these a couple of months ago and they're actually really dry, so they're ready to be finished. So both of them are 9-inch, so I think I'll pick this one. Yeah, as I said, they're 9-inch. I rough turned them a couple of months ago. I just checked the moisture, they're down to about 11%. So in my book that's pretty good to go. So I'm just sticking it in the chuck, and I'm just going to put a small little recess here so as I can flip it around and get the underside done first, if that makes any sense. So now with calipers I'm just going to mark a recess and just find the center. That's near enough. So I just want to put a small recess in just to reverse mount it. Just dovetail it slightly. That's good and tight. So now that it's secure in the chuck, I can make a start on the underside of the bowl. It's a beautiful piece of yew. So I'll start off with a 5/8 bolt gouge. So there wasn't a lot to come off, it's just to get it to shape, but I've got some torn grain. As you can see, I've got some torn grain I just need to take care of. So that took care of that torn grain. So just come around the bottom here a little bit more. Tiny little high spot just here. So that took care of that. So now I can get this sanded. Because this is you, I'm going to have my dust extractor on, I have the overhead one on, and I'm also going to wear a mask. So now that's the underside of the bowl sanded, so I get it flipped around. I just throw up this outside rim first. Change the camera there. Yeah, I threw up this outside rim first. It moved very, very slightly as it dried. So that come up nice and crisp. Let's check what I have in the bottom. Yeah, I have a little over a half an inch in the bottom, so I have loads. So there wasn't a lot of material to come off that. A couple of passes had it down. So a little bit to take out the bottom. I'm just going to switch to my bottom feeder. Tool rest is a little high. I think a little more. Yep, that's good to sand. So that's the sanding all done. That come up really, really nice. I sanded up to 400 grit. Some beautiful grain in this wood. Some beautiful colours. So now we'll get a finish on it. I'm going to go for citrus burnishing oil. It's citrus burnishing oil from Hampshire Sheen. There's all that beautiful colour that you have in the U. That has some amazing colour. So now we'll just turn the lid on, and with the same piece of paper towel, we just want to burnish that oil into the wood, just building up a little bit of heat. Get a clean piece now, just clean off the excess oil. That has some really stunning colour. That's a beautiful piece of wood, really is. So I'll get it off the chuck now, and I'll get the tenon removed. So I'm just going to set up, and I'll get it into the coal jaws. And as always, the buttons are always in the wrong place. So a piece of paper towel now just to protect the bowl. It's nice and secure. So did anyone cop what I done? I had the banjo the other side of the coal jaws, so I had to take them off the chuck. That doesn't fit past underneath. So now we're back on course. So now bring the speed down. I think about 500 RPM is loads for the coal jaws. So we'll take a look at it. There's the bottom. I just a nice flat bottom. Well, it's concave slightly, so when it's sitting, it sits on the edge. But no, I didn't bother putting any detail in it. I think the wood speaks for itself on this piece. Some absolute beautiful grain, beautiful colours. I couldn't ask for any more in a bowl. And it's sanded up really well. The inside as well, it's just concave, lovely. I sloped in the rim just a little bit as well. I said there wasn't a lot of turning in this. I only took a couple of cuts inside and out. For some reason, when you rough turn it doesn't tend to move too much, which is good. So it's a gorgeous piece of wood. So it's just 8.5 inches, and will stand about 3.5 inches off the table, which is just a nice size. So that's a wrap on this one, guys. Our little U-bowl. It's 8.5 inches and 3.5 off the table, so just a nice size. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, just do me a favour, tap the like and maybe tap the subscribe, share, and leave me a comment also and let me know what you think. And I shall catch us on the next one. So take care. Bye for now.